All right, what's going on, y'all? So we got another convertible for you today. As you see, if you watch these videos, I'm doing it outside. It's crazy right now. We got cars all over the place. So to get this one done, we're gonna start outside. 69 Delta 88, super solid car. We're gonna get into it. Paint is basically about driver's quality, just to be honest. Once I get it on the rack inside, I'll put some little light on it so you can see. But there are a couple, imperfections here and there. So moving on down, I didn't see any crazy dents or anything. Body appears to be pretty good. I just got, like I said, little spots of marring and oxidation in the paint. Obviously, it's a convertible. Top works. You'll see that later on in the video. I like how they went ahead and added the Delta into the parade boot or the convertible top cover. A little bit of an overcast day, so we're not getting too much sun to really highlight the paint, but rear bumper looks solid. Could probably use a polish, to be honest, but no dents, so that's a plus. A little bit of rust starting right up in there. Looking down this driver's side, again, body looks pretty solid. Didn't see any cracks or dents that really needed to be pointed out. Scratches and more going on there. Windshield solid, no cracks or rock chips, so that's always a plus. One less thing to have to worry about. Front bumper looks better than the rear. I don't have any dents or rust that needs to be pointed out, so pretty solid there. Let me put you down for a second while I open this up. One second, I got my finger stuck. There we go. All right. Underneath, standard fare, relatively clean. It's a 350 car. Sounds super good though. I'm pretty sure that it's got a mild cam in it. Power brakes, power steering, new alternator. That's really it. Standard Oldsmobile fare, gold valve covers. Nothing else though. So I'm gonna tell you, you can tell this car was built to run. So. And once we get on the test drive, I'll get into it a little bit. Trunk, pans look great. No soft spots, no light coming through, no surface rust. Got your OG spare and your OG hubcaps. All right, checking out the interior. I gotta apologize for the pollen. We're in Alabama. Car was clean. As soon as we pulled it outside, covered in pollen. Rear seat looks good. No rips, no tears. Carpet, it's original carpet. You can always tell by the fading. So let's go ahead and check out the door. Passenger door looks solid. Got a little bit of split on the armrest. Jams look good. Really ain't got nothing to worry about here. Like I said, carpet would definitely be something that would want to be replaced or dyed. Your choice if you feel like pulling it or not. Passenger seat, no rips or tears. And same on the driver's. Dash does have some cracks in it, as you can see. Get on over to the driver's side. All right, driver door panel. Same thing, pretty solid, except for that little split right there on the corner. Funny, it's in the exact same spot. And in the seat, we don't have any rips where you sit, but you can tell there was one here, and they put some tape there. We didn't want to peel it off in case it made it worse. So, again, this is a driver's car. Mileage read 75,992. Give me a second, we'll knock out this test drive. All right, we'll start test driving the Delta. Give her a little bit of gas. Fires up. Like so, you guys can hear. Definitely sounds strong. Left turn signal. I ain't never noticed them boys was blue. That's kind of dope. All right. No horn. Lights are on. I can see them in the van right there. Heat kicked on. Well, I mean the blower anyway. Everything else is manual. got a retro sound radio, but it is not working. So I don't know if maybe they did a fuse, they didn't install it right. But got an aftermarket radio, but not working. Again, mileage reads 75,992. We will check the top once we come back. Oh, my bad. Wipers do not work. Well, it definitely sounds strong. Throttle's a little bit on the touchy side. Speedo is not working. Tank reads full. I got my hand, because I'm using my phone, I got my hand resting on the dash, so I apologize if it's got a little bit of a shake. I'm gonna take it off and see. Brakes feel good, no issues there. Not pulling to either side, so yeah, this thing wants to run. Shifts were smooth. She definitely wants to run. Hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight. No issues there. Alignment feels solid. Suspension feels a little bit on the firmer side, which is what I would expect. Brakes feel regular, nothing special. Not too mushy, not too firm. I would assume disc in the front, drums in the rear, but we'll check once it's on the rack. Again, she sounds great, especially with the top down. More than enough power to have fun and spin the tires for sure. No lights on the dash. Definitely sounds good though. So yeah, I'm gonna head back and throw on the rack and we'll check out underneath. All right, we got the Delta up on the rack. Again, rear bumper looks pretty solid. I do have a little bit of pitting starting right there in the corner. Exhaust has clearly been done. No signs of leak from the gas tank. We just came off this test drive. Drums in the rear. Looks like this sway bar was added. Factory 12-bolt car, that's always nice. Coming down the right side, frame looks nice and straight. Pans look great. No soft spots, no real surface rust to point out. We've already seen inside the trunk. And coming down the driver, same thing. Nice box frame. This pan has been replaced at some point in time, I can tell. But they did a good job sealing it. No signs of leak from the oil or trans pans. Dual exhaust all the way back. Drums in the front as expected. Let me get from under here. Relatively clean, honestly. Front bumper looks good. Nothing to really point out there. Coming around. Got the old school raised white letters. Tread looks good. All four tires match. Underneath the car, looks pretty good. I don't see any runs or bubbling to point out. Rear quarter looks solid. No cracks or anything. And let's go ahead and hit this driver's side. Same thing. I swear, man, it's hard trying to keep this phone perfectly even. So sometimes I be turned like this, so my apologies. And a little bit of bubbling underneath here. Again, almost 60-year-old car, so. All right, let's go ahead and fire her up so I can let the top down. Well, up, my bad. Got really good speed. Frames look good. So far, so good. Borderline look like it's been replaced at some point in time. Normally the black, you can see it fading a little bit. But it's a good possibility somebody just took care of it. Black vinyl top, no rips, no holes, glass. Looks solid, honestly. A little bit dirty, but to be expected. All right, y'all, so if you're interested in this 69, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.